Hey guys, it's time for drill sound warm up. While I'm switching my slides, your teacher can pick a drill sound leader. Sorry, I had to get baby echo. Okie doke. So, drill sound leader, as always, you are going to say the letter, the keyword, and the sound. And everybody else, when they see baby echo pop up in the corner, they're going to repeat you. So, let's get started. Go ahead, drill sound leader, and take it away. Z, zebra, Z. A, apple, A. F, fun. U, up, L, lamp, O. O, octopus, ah. T, top, t. I, itch, I. Q, queen, qu. Teachers can decide if they want their drill sound leader to continue or if you want to take over. We're going to do our R control poster. Remember, our R control vowels are those vowels that are followed by the letter R. So let's go ahead and say our sounds. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Great job, drill sound leaders. Now, teachers, we are going to move on to our letter sounds. You guys are going to repeat after me. I am going to say the sounds, and students are going to repeat me. A-I, bait, A. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. A-Y, play, A. E-E, jeep, E. E-E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. E-Y, key, E. O-A, boat, O. O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, plow, ow. O-W, plow, ow. O-I, coin, oi. O-I, coin, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, ooh. O-U, soup, ooh. O-O, school, ooh. O-O, school, ooh. O-O, book, O-O, book, U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, rescue, U. U-E, rescue, U. E-W, chew, ew. E-W, chew, ew. Whoops, sorry. E-W, chew, ew. Now we're going to do our trick words. So, oops, I forgot to add the trick word then. Let me grab them. We're going to do our trick words. So everybody get ready. You need to try to read them before I move to the next slide. So see if you can keep up with me. Okay, here we go. Excellent job, friends. Great job today.